problem that we're adding into the middle of the review here after number 4, just so that you have another one of these pretty little fraction problems to work through before the test. So here, we're going to use elimination again. The thing that you should look for in these elimination problems are these opposite signs. So I already have this negative positive situation built in, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply the bottom equation here by 2 over 1. And then I'll have opposites. My y squareds will be opposites. So this top equation stays the same. I'm actually going to go ahead and move that 6 over. And since I have fractions, I'm just going to lean into my fraction situation. Multiplying that 2 through, and it is a 2 over 1. We can multiply by something other than 1 since we have an equation. So 2 times 1 over x squared, we're going to get 2 over x squared. 2 times 1 over y squared, 2 over y squared. And don't forget to do 2 times 5. And now we can add. So our x's have a common denominator. So we have 2 over x squared plus 2 over x squared. That's going to give us 4 over x squared. It's weird. I know it's weird to see variables as x squared, or variables as the denominator, but they're common. So just go ahead and add your numerators. Our y squareds cancel, since we have a negative 2 over y squared and a positive. And then negative 6 plus 10 is 4. And here you can just cross multiply and divide. 4 times 1 divided by 4 is 1. And again, when we force that square root, just like in the last 2 problems, we have to have that plus and minus. Now we want to plug that 1 back in to either equation, wherever is convenient for you. I went ahead and plugged it into the bottom equation when I was solving this one on my own. So I have 1 over, and since I'm squaring it, it doesn't matter if I put the positive or negative 1 in. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in together. So I have 1 over, positive 1 squared is 1, negative 1 squared is 1. So that whole fraction is just going to turn into 1 over 1. I'm going to subtract my 1 over y squared equals 4 over 1. 1 equals 4y squared. Cross multiply with that equal sign in between. Divide both sides by 4, so you have 1/4 is y squared. And then again, we're going to take the square root of both sides, forcing that plus and minus. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2, and we need to bring that plus and minus with it. So if we put 1 in, we get positive and negative 1/2 out. If we put negative 1 in, we get positive and negative 1/2 out. And I just double checked that my 1/2s are my y's and my 1s are my x's. And they are.